Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go into today's video, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. Thank you. I also appreciate my returning viewers, and if you are new here, please click the subscribe button down there, hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed when I upload new videos. Please like and share this video so as to encourage me and support my channel. Make una support your boy, big o. Now let's go into today's video, guys. Pere fans has decided to storm Warri for the second time to campaign for votes. Fans of BBNaija housemate Pere has stormed the streets of Warri in Delta State today to rally for support for their favorite. In a video cited on his Instagram page, Pere's fans took to the streets in customized shirts and flyers. Pere on the verge of going to the finals, as this week's elections will determine whether he will qualify or not. They decided to do the campaign today, being the last voting day. Housemates including Pere, White Money, Nini, Saga and Queen are also competing for 2 slots for the finals. At least 3 of the housemates will be evicted from the house on Sunday. Meanwhile, Liquorose, Cross and Emmanuel has qualified for the finals to battle it out for the 90 million naira cash prize. To solicit for more votes for Pere, his fans took to the streets to create awareness and accumulate more support for him.
What's up? Warri, what's up? Yeah. Who the bricks? 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 Yeah. Voila! Voila! Say something. Voila! Go Pere. Go Pere.
In another news from outside the house, Yusuf has said that the underrepresentation of the North made him to take part in Big Brother Naija. Recently evicted Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye housemate Yusuf said he came on the show to represent the northern region of the country. According to Yusuf, a lot of people from the north haven't been represented on the show, and he, an indigene of Plateau State, wanted to make history in the entertainment industry. Yusuf said, and I quote, "What pushed me was that a lot of people from the north haven't really been represented in the show. So I just wanted to make history in the entertainment industry. I wanted it as much as possible. I just wanted to make history. I just wanted to go to BBNaija as it's the biggest platform for any youth out there. It was going to change my life, and at that moment, things were not going well at home. I was just looking for that dream. I think a lot of people started watching the show from that part of the north. They were watching the show because of me, and I was surprised. Big Brother is the biggest platform all over Africa. It's a place where anybody can make their dreams come true. Big Brother has changed my life from nothing to something. BBNaija is a place you can go as far as possible. You can skyrocket from 1 night to 2 months. Big Brother has changed my life in just 2 months," he told Punch. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Before I go, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. Thank you. If you like to watch more of the fun in the Big Brother Naija house, kindly click the subscribe button down there and turn on the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever I make another video. Also, please like this video so as to support this channel, and also help me share it to people so that they can also enjoy the fun in the Big Brother Naija house.